Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set image duration and how to change it on CapCut. So usually it's 5 seconds, but for me, for example, it's set on only 1 second. So in order to change your image duration, all you have to do is either drag it to make it shorter, or you can drag it to make it way longer. But if you want to make sure that it is set and everything and every single image would have like 10 seconds, for example, all you need to do, let's just delete those images now. You want to press on menu at the top right there, press on settings, press on edit option, and here you will see image duration. As you can see, it's now 1 second for me. You can go ahead and higher it. So it's usually 5 seconds on default, but let's make it to 10, save it, and then drag the image. And as you can see now, it's exactly 10 seconds. And that's how you do this. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.